Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorial how to use archive feature on Instagram application. So first thing we have to do, we just need to go open the Instagram, and after that make sure that you already logged in on your Instagram. When you already logged in on your Instagram, you just need to go into your profile here and now decide which post that you want to archive. So archive features help you to hide the features from your profile, but you are not gonna delete it. So whenever you want to the content popped up back into your profile, you can bring it back again with the same position and the same date on your uploaded. Okay, so for example, I would like to archiving this content. So the things that you have to do is just go click the three small dots here, and after that there will be a lot of tools that will be activated and pop up on your screen. You just need to click archive. Okay, let's check, and now those content is already disappear from our profile. How to bring the contents back? You just need to go click this three small lines, and after that go into the archive. Make sure you are in the post archive, and after that just need to click it, the post that you want to bring back to your profile. So that's all the way how to archive on Instagram. If you find that this tutorial is useful for you, don't forget to subscribe into this channel.